I always wanted to serve. And the reason being is because my father was very proud of being Mexican and being Mexico. He, as a matter of fact, he never got his citizenship. I mean, he was here legally, but he never got his citizenship. And he was just very, very proud of that. But he also was very proud of the fact that I spoke English. I mean, that's my, he would tell his customers, my son speaks English. He spoke it too, but not very well. He said, but he was very proud of the fact that this country had given us these opportunities, had given him this opportunity and given him the opportunity to make a better life for my mom and for the nine of us.